This is one of the most useful accessories you can get for your cell phone. The Photofast Photocube PD Auto Backup Device. Basically what this is a USB-C to USB-C SD card hub that will auto back up your photos, videos, and even stuff like your contacts every time you plug it into charge. It's definitely a pretty smart idea, especially with iPhone because it can be pretty hard to get your image and video files quickly transferred onto an SD card to work with outside Apple products. With the Photocube, you can keep up to 2 terabyte SD card in the charger, and no matter what, all the phone files will be backed up every single day. The app lets you control what it backs up and has a lot of other helpful features too. This is definitely the type of new tech that will make your life easier, help reduce the clutter and confusion of all this new technology.